Ebook reading is experiencing unprecedented growth, with PDFs remaining the dominant format for digital documents and books. Mobile PDF reading apps have become essential tools for millions of users worldwide. When choosing a PDF reading app, there are essential features to consider. Basic functionality includes PDF viewing, annotation tools for highlighting and note-taking, search capabilities, zoom controls, and bookmark management. Advanced features have revolutionized PDF apps. OCR technology converts scanned documents to editable text, e-signatures enable digital document signing, and cloud storage integration provides seamless access across devices. Leading PDF apps include Adobe Acrobat Reader, the industry standard with comprehensive features. Foxit PDF Reader offers excellent performance, while UPDF excels in ebook reading. Soto provides superior collaboration tools, and Speechify specializes in text-to-speech functionality. PDF apps fall into three categories. Simple readers focus on viewing and basic navigation. Annotators add highlighting, note-taking, and markup tools. Full editors provide comprehensive document modification capabilities, including text editing and form creation. The PDF reader landscape is transforming through artificial intelligence integration. Modern apps now feature AI assistants that can summarize lengthy documents, translate content between languages, and proofread text for errors. Text-to-speech technology is revolutionizing PDF accessibility. Apps like Speechify, Goodreader, and Zoto now convert written text into natural-sounding audio, effectively transforming any PDF into an audiobook for hands-free reading. Accessibility enhancements ensure PDF readers work for everyone. Modern apps now offer improved screen reader compatibility, customizable font sizes, high contrast modes, and voice navigation to support users with visual impairments. The future promises even more intelligent features. Expect advanced document processing, real-time collaboration tools, and smarter content analysis. These innovations will make PDF reading more intuitive and productive than ever before. The best PDF reader depends on your specific needs. Whether you prioritize AI assistance, accessibility features, or collaboration tools, many excellent free options now rival premium alternatives. Choose based on your workflow requirements and accessibility needs.